Popular hip-hop artist and the legendary Eedris Abdulkareem, who was diagnosed with kidney failure, has raised his own appreciation to Nigerians who donated money for him. Hello everyone, welcome to MaiMediaTV. Vividly, we could recall that 2 weeks ago, Idris Abdulkareem said on a sick bed that he was diagnosed with kidney failure and he will be able to be doing kidney transplanting by the end of July. As of today, 3,779 euros has been raised out of 48,000 euro needed by Nigerian veteran rappers Idris Abdulkareem for kidney surgery. The rapper had on Friday shared a GoFundMe account for a fan of well-meaning Nigerians. As at the time of filing this report, Idris Abdulkareem need over 44,000 to cover all the medical and associated with the surgery. So today now, Idris Abdulkareem have come out to appreciate Nigerians who have willingly donated some money for the surgery for him. This is coming after Idris Abdulkareem was diagnosed for kidney failure. For those of you who have not watched the video, I want you to watch the video.
To tell them about my health, and I've been very grateful to Nigerians. Without you guys, that wouldn't have been me, I'm thanking Nigerians all over the world, Nigerians in diaspora, Nigerians in Nigeria. Thank you for the love, thank you for the prayers, thank you for the support,
Welcome back, guys. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please kindly click the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so that anytime we upload our videos, you get notified. So may God bless you as you do so. So the next report we have for you is about the panelist Kenny Ogungbe, Dayo Adeneye, and the chairman of Otuba Sheson Rufai and his chairman of Akada Magazine taking down the memory lines of digitalizations of music at the unveiling of the next episode by Kenny's music. You see, a lot of things are be surrounded the issues of music in Nigeria, guys. Vividly, if you don't forget that this music line, we cannot talk about Nigerian music without mentioning some people in the industry, the likes of Idris Abdulkareem, who needs this kidney transplant, the likes of Tony Tetula, the likes of the late Sir Sultans. These are people who put their power together to build this music industry other people are enjoying today. So this Kenny Ogungbe could say by then that is one of the most vibrant promoter that really stood by hip-hop artists during the olden days. He said on his platform that then when they were going out to seek people's support for this music, this type of music, people usually ask them that, is it Fuji music? If you said no, they are not going to support. Is it Juju music? If you said no, they are not going to support. He said those people who are very confident by then are those people who sing Fuji music and Juju music. So now that the music have really changed, so he said a lot are still going to become that Nigeria are still going to be at the top of the corner of the world when it comes. Those people who are making their monies in dollars through digitalizations, it's totally different from the way this Idris Abdulkareem and the likes makes their money by CDs in the 90s. I want you to hear from Kenny Ogungbe as he make this delivery in this event. So guys, keep watching. We'll be right back.
Of all the musicians, they selling billions of products. They have billions of money, and they have millions in US dollars. The record released by Davido, how many? The first week, top 1 to top 20, Burnaboy, and they are selling all the songs, Spotify, Apple Music, and again, that's digital. That's what they are making money in dollars. Not naira. They are here in Nigeria. Spotify is here, Apple Music is here, Sony Music is here, Warner Brothers is here, can I keep on? Universal is here, who else? Empire is here, who else? And they are paying dollars, $250,000 for a record. Are we here? $250,000 for one record. Not $2,000 naira, dollars, not one person, not two person. Collect first before you give me the record. That's digital. That's 2022. I'm sorry, Mr. MC. What? This was started from somewhere. 25 years ago, it started. We took the records to record labels. Eedris Abdulkareem is here. We said to support this record. I don't even we took it to 4 core record labels. They said we cannot sign. Are you singing Juju? We said no. Are you singing Fuji? Are you singing? What are you singing? What's this one? Are you singing highlight? Juju? Go and sing your Sashino Peters. That time Sashino Peters was very, very respected and still respected. And we were not discouraged. We said, okay, we will do what we know how to do next.
Great Nigerians and Africans embraced, and going on to Idris, to Tony Tetula, instead to Kenny, we need to take this thing to the next level. And we started taking our artists to the Grammys, we started taking them out to South Africa Music Award to show them what their colleagues outside the country were doing, so they could raise their game and raise the bar. And the result is what you see today. That Burnaboy is winning the Grammys, Wizkid is selling out, Davido is selling out everywhere. But I make bold to say this, and mark my words, we haven't seen anything yet. Some are going to come in the next 2-3 years, count my words, that are going to blow this thing out of the water. Some, 2 or 3 are going to come after Wizkid. They won't just be nominated for Grammys, they will be performing on that Grammy stage, they will be the main act. Just like Toby Amushan was on the world stage for us a couple of days ago. Some are going to come, and some are they are seated right here, or they're next door to you, somebody you know, that are going to eclipse what Davido is doing today. They're going to eclipse what Burnaboy is doing, and we will all be very proud of that, to have supported them either by downloading their music. Parallax Bank for supporting. Maybe it's through Parallax Bank that this next icon is going to come. There will be a worldwide phenomenon. I mean, look at what Thames is doing now. Thames is coming out in the Wakanda Forever soundtrack. She's collaborating with Beyonce. Who would have thought? Thames' first interview was on Kenny's FM. The very first interview ever on African soil was on. So God has given us that visual. So we thank God that God has used us as a conduit through discovering some of these talents, and we thank Parallax Bank for seeing that and supporting us and saying, look, you guys continue to do what you do, discover these talents, will help you polish them and make
Topas for giving me my first employment. In 1995, actually, Papa. And I want to thank my uncle, Kenny Ogungbe, for giving me all the privileges to work hard. From Repower to AIT to Silverbird to Shadows. I thank God I'm doing what I love to do. I've been inspired a lot by the achievement of Kenny's music, Kenny's effort, especially my people who have been supporting. We started Good Mind spiritually. Yes, I remember I lost my job in 1999, in 2000, when the bank came to Repower to cease, to ask us to leave the bank, so to leave the station. So for 2 years I couldn't get any employment until Kenny introduced me to Supersonic TV boss. Mr. Abdulkareem. To cut the solution, I've been doing Orthodox TV for the past years. But about 15 years ago, we discovered that the vision is beyond Orthodox TV. So we dive into digital. And today, through the base of
everything is moving towards digital now. Though, like I just tell them, there's nothing you can do to bring the world to it. But you just need to factor digital into whatever you are doing. Like I've heard that the most communication in digital for free, but they still have their own digital version because of the advent of mobile phones. Because if news breaks now, real time, we are getting it on the phone. So the truth is, digital is here to stay, and we just have to move with time.